As Prime Minister Narendra Modi completes 11 years in office, the BJP is gearing up for a massive nationwide campaign called Sankalp Se Siddhi, which means from commitment to accomplishment. This campaign aims to showcase the achievements of the Modi government over the past decade plus. So what's the plan? The BJP is planning to reach every corner of the country from big cities to small villages. The party's national president JP Nadda has directed the state committees to be set up by May 29 and district teams by June 3. Their job? Organize events, presentations and public interactions to highlight the government's work. Now let's have a look at the key highlights of the campaign. Operation Sindoor, a show of strength. BJP leaders will highlight the success of Operation Sindoor, India's strong military response to the Pahalgam terror attack on April 22. This will be presented as an example of India's decisive stand against terrorism, showing how the armed forces carried out precise and powerful action across the border. Health for all, Ayushman Bharat focus. To promote Ayushman Bharat, one of the world's biggest health insurance schemes, BJP workers will set up registration camps to help people sign up and benefit from free healthcare. Green India Environment Drive. The party will also run a 2-month-long tree plantation campaign starting around World Environment Day June 5 to promote environmental awareness and action. Economic progress. India as the 4th largest economy. The BJP will showcase how India has become the 4th largest economy in the world, moving closer to PM Modi's dream of a Viksit Bharat, a developed India. Special events called Viksit Bharat Sankalp Sabhas will be held where people will take pledges to support this vision. Yoga, Youth and Democracy. The party will celebrate International Yoga Day on June 21 with mass participation. To mark 50 years since the emergency, special programs will remember the fight to protect democracy. Loktantra Senanis. Those who fought during the emergency will be honored at district level events. The big goal? To connect with young Indians, create awareness about the government schemes and bring more people into PM Modi's vision for a strong, modern and developed India. From national security to healthcare, from economy to environment, the Sankalp Se Siddhi campaign is the BJP's way of saying, here is what we promised and here is what we delivered. What are your thoughts on this? Do let us know in the comments. Till then, keep watching India TV for more updates.